Yeah, hi, this is Naren, Senior Mixologist. Today I am making Grapefruit Ginger Breeze with Mojee Grapefruit Syrup. 20 ml Mojee Grapefruit Syrup, 5 ml lemon juice, 4 to 5 cube ice, add a half slice of grapefruit,